Hi, I'm Renrui Liu. This is my Assignment 1 project, Tictactoe. Here are some resources: the app icon, images, music. Let's go back to the user interface. I gave all views constraints to make sure they look good on different sized iPhones. Okay, let's look at the code. Go to the GitHub. I defined all properties here, and there are functions below. The first two functions are for two buttons on the top. Clicking on the buttons will swap the players, and the player who is playing will be fully opacity, and the other one would be 30% transparent. The main function, click on bottom, is clicking on any one of those 9 buttons in the grid will trigger the run bottom logic function, and if it's against AI mode, then run the pick random cell function. So what is the run bottom logic function? In this function, the method I use is similar to what tutor taught on the lecture. Using sender.tag to locate which cell is just clicked by the player and give the cell a value on 2-dimensional grid. Meanwhile, change the sender's images. After that, check the result. If no one wins, swap the player, and otherwise show an alarm displaying who wins and reset the game. If the button have been clicked more than 8 times and still no one wins, then it is a draw. The check result function is similar to the lecture as well. There are 8 circumstances that a player can win the game. Then the alert. Then the reset function. In the reset function, we can reset the grid and the bottom's images, the counter, the player bottoms on the top, and in the clean score function, the game score will be recorded in a string and stored in a key, the history, by using user defaults. Then reset all scores. After that, this switch game mode button will can switch game mode between AI and 2 players. And there is the core function of AI, pick random cell. The theory of AI is using act for random function to pick a random cell from the grid. The range is from 0 to 2. And if the cell is empty and the number of unchecked cells is less than 8, then calculate the tag of this cell. And then based on the tag, you can find the button and click on it. Then is the background music feature. When the player opens the game, the music plays. So in the view did road function, find the path of this song and play using AV audio player. The music can be paused or resumed by clicking on the play BGM button, and the image of the button will be changed as well. The player can view the game history in an alert. The history will be extracted from user defaults. This is the extra feature I add into the game. Even when you completely shut down the app and open it again, the game the history is still there unless you clean it. So let's play the game. Let's run it on the simulator. Click on the buttons. When you win, you got the alert. You can swap the player anytime in the game. Now it shows a draw. And you click save and reset button, the score will be stored and you can build it in an alert. Let's play with AI. Looks good, right? When you switch the game mode, the score will be automatically stored as well. And it's not temporary. It's been stored in user defaults. So you shut down the app and reopen it. See, the score is still here. You clean it, it goes away. Finally, the button on the top right can pause or resume the music. And that's it. Thank you.